In this video, I will show you how to check submission and entries on a WordPress website with a Forminator plugin. Sometimes we use Forminator plugin for contact form. First, we have to log in into backend, then click on Forminator tab, and under tab Forminator, you will see the submission. Click on submission and select your form and hit the show submission button. After click on show submission button, you will see the entries on your selected forms. When you have multiple forms, and then you will have to select your particular form. You can export your all entries to Excel sheets. So it's a easy process. Let me know if you have any questions or query. Thanks for watching the video.